Trends with our air quality slowly continue to improve as we are going later throughout this week. Some of the newest data with the near smoke forecast does show a lot more of it moving off to the north and to the east. Areas back near Ontario, the later we are getting throughout not only tomorrow, but even those trends looking a little bit better by our Friday. So at least we are finally talking about some more positive news there. Rain chances as we're going throughout the next few days. Here's going to be the main takeaways. We're talking about more heat and more humidity. We're not talking about an all-day rain, but with the air mass that we are going to have in play during the peak heating hours of the afternoon, popcorn-style chances for some showers and storms leading up to the weekend still going to be on the table. Even still for the rest of this evening, can't completely rule that out as we are approaching the midnight hour tonight. Weak disturbance approaching from the west, areas going into the upper peninsula. A slightly better chance for an isolated shower as we're crossing midnight, getting into your early Thursday morning. Still will hold, but notice the coverage of the rain even as we are going throughout the overnight, getting into the day tomorrow. Here it is 7 o'clock towards the lunch hour tomorrow. Really not looking too impressive. So there's still going to be more dry hours as we get into the day tomorrow. Still notice these little red arrows coming in from the south. That's more heat building in. Easily some 80s tomorrow. Would not be surprised if we get several locations getting close to 90 degrees as we go into the afternoon. There's that popcorn-style chance for the showers and storms as we're getting later into your Thursday evening. So that's what we'll watch going throughout the day tomorrow. Some of the newer data does want to suggest as we go later into Thursday night by the time we reach Friday. Notice areas right here as we're going into Friday morning, trying even to bring in at least a few more showers and storms as we are approaching the upcoming weekend. So that's going to be the thoughts on the rain and the storms as we're going into the next few days. Even still, another system moving in by the time we get later into the weekend could give us a few more low-end chances, but still notice those percentages right there, 10 to near 20%. So not looking too impressive. I know we do need some rain, and hopefully we can capitalize at least on a few of these showers and storms. I think our better chances overall really are still going to be Thursday getting into the day on Friday. Let's talk live weather stations outside right now. Still a warmer day. Mount Pleasant still holding on to some upper 70s. Current number right there at 79. A little bit of a breeze right there from the east coming out of about 12 miles per hour. Also talking in with McBain at this hour with numbers even a little bit warmer at this hour. Current number sits right now at 86 degrees. Here's where you go for the overnight tonight. Not seeing that rain, well, you'll notice the warmer conditions and even still a little bit more humidity to go along with it. More 60s into the overnight. Still that chance again for a spotty shower or two as we approach the midnight hour tonight. And still with the air mass that we're going to have in play, a lot warmer still for several locations. Check out numbers even as you're going right near the tip of the Mint, Pellston, even towards Onaway, closer to 90 degrees getting into the day tomorrow. Southerly breeze helps to bring in more of that heat even into western lower. Check out Wellston, Mesek, even going towards Bel Air, closer to 90 degrees into the afternoon. So a little bit warmer as we take you throughout the day tomorrow. Any better chances as of right now? Newer data suggesting we could have a few more pop-up storms into eastern lower later into the afternoon by the evening. We'll watch that for you getting into the day tomorrow. Still the temperatures on the warm side, mid to upper 80s. Again, even into some of our central counties, the heat will be on for yet another day with that southerly breeze. And if you're not seeing the rain or storms, still plenty of heat and humidity to go around for your Thursday. There it is into the next 7. Still talking about that isolated chance lingering into the weekend, and still the temperatures on the hotter side too. Could even break a few records potentially, Adam, Saturday, Sunday.